Hello, today we will be exploring the equal addition method of subtraction. We use equal addition method for subtraction when we do not want to carry over. So the first step to equal addition is finding a number that we can add to both the top and the bottom so that the top number is always bigger than the bottom so we will not have to carry. So for example, if we tried to add 1 to 86, we would get 87. But the bottom number would be 39. So 7 is smaller than 9, which would mean we would still have to carry. But if we were to add 2 to both 86 and 38, we would see that we would get a sum of 88 on the top and a sum of 40 on the bottom. Now, 8 is greater than 0, meaning we will not have to carry. So 8 minus 0 is 8, and 8 minus 4 is 4, meaning our total sum would be 48. Thank you for coming to my video today.